Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your kill streak in Call of Duty. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on weapons in the second tab. In weapons you want to click here on kill streak, and now you're gonna choose which one you actually like, right? Let's say that on the 5 kills I want this, on 7 kills I want this here, or I want chopper gunner or personal raider. It's really up to you which one you choose. So yeah, and Juggernaut, oh my god, crazy. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support and stuff like that. So again, you go here in weapons, kill streak select, and you just choose which one you like and which is comfortable for you. Have a great day and goodbye.